Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing my pantry. If you're interested in seeing how I organize it, keep watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So I'm gonna start with this shelf. I was going to put some contact paper, but I didn't like the way it looked. I'm gonna have to put the cardboard, and I don't want to do all that right now, so I'm gonna just organize this. So I'm just gonna start by putting the cereal ones over here. Now I'm gonna put the marshmallows right here. And I also have some pretzels to put there. Now I'm going to put my pasta. And I have all the little labels. I'm gonna have my daughter put the labels on them later. And this is regular rice. This one is jasmine rice. This is some cream of wheat right here. This one is the sugar. Over here I have brown sugar, and this is a different type of brown sugar. I'm gonna put these two brown sugars together. Flax seeds. Well, those are chia seeds and these are flax seeds. This is pancake mix, and that's Josie's food, and here is Stormy's food, and these are Stormy's mixers for her food, and so are these. This one is flour. I have 4 of these spinners. They're Lazy Susans, and I put my you'll see, like I have one for my medicines, one for my ketchup and syrups. I'll show you. So those are the little Lazy Susans. So this is what it looks like. It's not perfect, but it's very organized. I put all my teas in that little bin right there. And then all the snacks are in these. So everything is in bins and everything is organized. And then whatever's extras I put on the floor. I have all the extra juices and water. And then I have my plugins and these things. I have bread, plátanos, towels back there. And then on my door, I have my oils and all my seasonings are like this on my rack. So everything is nice and organized. Now I just got a label. I have the labels. I'm just gonna have my daughter put them on for me. So I put this up here because I have no space. So this is where I keep this at. On the first shelf of my pantry. And then the rest is my food.